أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين رضوان الله عليهم أجمعين. أما بعد. الدرس السابع والعشرون lesson 27. متى جئت من جدة يا خالد؟ متى جئت؟ متى جئت؟ جاء يجيء to come. جاء يجيء to come. When did you come from Jeddah, O Khalid? When did you come from Jeddah, O Khalid? Jitu amsi, I came yesterday. Ajaa Ibrahimu ma'aka? Ajaa Ibrahimu ma'aka? Did Ibrahim come with you? La, lam yaji ba'du. Lam yaji ba'du. La, lam yaji ba'du. He has not yet come. Lam yaji, he has not yet come. Lam yaji ba'du means lamma yaji. Understand, this hamza is above ya only. Okay, it is lam yaji. You should not read this ya after lam. Lam yaji. Sa yajiu. Here it is here its hamza is different, but here hamza is on the ya. Hamza act and ya acts as a chair for hamza here, whereas here hamza is a separate letter. Sayajiu, he will come al yawma, today, aw gadan, or tomorrow, inshallah. 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 Azurta Safira, did you visit the ambassador? Dhahabtu ila maktabihi, I went to his office. Balam ajiduhu, I didn't find him. Samaitu annahu lam yakun fi juddata dhakal yawma, I heard that he was not in Jeddah that day. Lam yakun was not. He was not in Jeddah that day. I went to his office. Dhahabtu ila maktabihi. Dhahabtu ila maktabihi. Walam ajiduhu, I did not find him. Samaitu, I heard. Annahu, that he. Lam yakun, was not. Fi Juddata dhakal yawma, in Jeddah that day. Ya Adnanu, O Adnan, innaka ghibta usbu'aini, indeed you were absent for 2 weeks. Fa'ina kunta, where were you? Kuntu fil mustashfa, I was in the hospital. Kuntu maridan jiddan, I was very sick. I was very sick. Wallahi laqad kittu amutu, by Allah I almost died. Laqad kittu amutu, I almost died. Kada yakadu, it is about to happen, about to do. Kittu, laqad kittu amutu, I was about to die. Kada kada kadu, kadat kadata kidna. Wallahi, by Allah, ما عرفت ذلك ما عرفت ذلك I didn't know that. لم يقل لي أحد لم يقل لي أحد none told me that. لم يقل لي أحد none told me إنك مريض وإنك في المستشفى that indeed you are sick and indeed you are in the hospital. None informed me. لم يقل لي أحد. No one informed me about it. كيف حالك الآن كيف حالك الآن How are you now لعلك الآن أحسن Hope you are better now Alhamdulillah Alhamdulillah All praises be to Allah Ana الآن أحسن I am better now ولكنني لا أزال ضعيفا لا أزال ضعيفا but I am still weak I am still لا أزال means still I am لا أزال ولكنني لا أزال ضعيفا but I am still weak ضعيف means weak شفاك الله شفاء كاملا May Allah cure you and give you a complete health. Shifa'an kamilan complete cure. Ya Usmanu innaka taghibu kasiran. Indeed you are absent very much. Ghibta yawmayni fi hadha al-usbu'i. You are absent for 2 days in this week. Wa thalasata ayyamin fil usbu'i al-madi. في هذا الأسبوع in this week and ثلاثة أيام في الأسبوع الماضي and 3 days in last week that is 2 days في هذا الأسبوع in this week and 3 days last week لا ينبغي لطالب أن يغيب كثيرا It is not proper for a student to be absent very much. لم أغب 3 أيام في الأسبوع الماضي كما قلت. لم أغب I was not absent for 3 days last week as you said. Kama means as, yes, as you said. I was not absent for 3 days last week as you said. Innama ghibtu yawman wahidan faqat. Only I was absent for 1 day only. Only I was absent for 1 day only. Faqat only. Only just 1 day only. لا تكذب لا كذب يكذب تكذب لا تكذب يا أخي don't lie oh my brother إنك غبت يوم السبت ويوم الثلاثاء ويوم الأربعاء indeed you were absent indeed you were absent on Saturday and يوم الثلاثاء Tuesday ويوم الأربعاء Wednesday. يوم السبت Saturday يوم الثلاثاء Tuesday يوم الأربعاء Wednesday. إنك غبت يوم السبت you were absent on Saturday, Tuesday and Wednesday. أنا آسف يا أستاذ. I am sorry sir. لن أغيب في المستقبل إن شاء الله. I will not be absent in the future إن شاء الله. قم يا آدم. Get up O آدم. قام يقوم قم. قام يقوم قم. Get up. أتنام في الفصل؟ نام ينام تنام. To sleep. أتنام في الفصل? Do you sleep in the class? نام ينام تنام. Do you sleep in the class? أنا آسف يا أستاذ. I am sorry sir. غلبني النوم. غلبني النوم. The sleep dominated me. The sleep dominated me. غلبني النوم. The sleep overpowered me. لأنني because I ما نمت البارحة. Because I did not sleep last night. لأنني ما نمت البارحة. Because I did not sleep last night. غلبني النوم لأنني ما نمت البارحة. لما لم تنم؟ لما لم تنم؟ Why didn't you sleep? كان بي صداع شديد. كان بي صداع شديد. I was afflicted with a severe headache. Severe headache. فلم أنم بسببه. So lam anam, I did not sleep بسببه, because of its reason. يرن الجرس, the bell rings. فيقوم المدرس, the teacher gets up. يا أستاذ أنا أريد أن أزورك اليوم بعد صلاة العصر. I want to visit you today after Asr prayer. After Asr prayer. أنا أريد أن أزورك اليوم بعد صلاة العصر. I want to visit. أنا أريد أن أزورك اليوم بعد صلاة العصر. زرني غدا. Visit me tomorrow. فإني مشغول اليوم. Because indeed I am busy today. مشغول busy. مشغول busy.